Hi, social leadership students. I'm Mrs. Johnson, Mr. Gilbert's TA. So I've been grading the relationship projects, the plan section, so section 4, and there's a common issue going on with these, and I've been leaving feedback for everybody, but it's taking a really long time. So to help expedite things, since it's kind of the same comment over and over, I'm going to create this video and give you a little feedback. And hopefully that will help you guys understand what we're looking for in this assignment. So for section 4, you've been asked to come up with SMART commitments. And SMART means specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely, right? There's variants of that, but pretty much that's what it means, right? So we want you to come up with SMART commitments that you can do and commit to that will improve your relationships. So these are a few of the things that I'm seeing with submissions. Be more helpful and willing to share with him. I want to get better at communicating. I want to hang out and be kinder so that she knows I care. I want to spend quality time together. These are wonderful things, right? It's great to want to spend quality time with someone, but how do you make sure that you do that? Is that a really specific comment or goal or commitment? So here are some examples of what might make that a little bit more specific. So let's use the one, I want to spend quality time together. So I want to improve my relationship with my grandpa. I will video call him every Friday at 2 p.m. I will do this for 4 weeks. I will let him know that I'm going to call so that he can hold me accountable. I hopefully will do this long term, but my SMART commitment is to do this for 4 weeks. Another example, I want to spend quality time with my brother. I will take my earbuds out at night and talk to him for 15 minutes before we go to bed. I will also play basketball with him on Fridays when my schoolwork is done. Do you see the difference in those examples and just saying, I want to spend quality time together? If you want to spend quality time together, come up with something specific that you can do. What action are you going to take specifically that will ensure that you are spending quality time with the person for whom you want to build a better relationship? If you want a better relationship with your sister, you need to plan a specific activity or action that you will take so that your relationship is better. If we were to just go to bed at night with the goal of being nicer or having a better relationship with someone tomorrow, we're not going to wake up in the morning and it's automatically going to be so, right? Like if I set a goal to wake up and be nicer, and I go to bed, am I going to wake up and just automatically be nicer? Or am I going to have to change my behaviors and take specific actions to make that happen? I'm going to have to do something specific, right? So that's what we're looking for in this assignment. Be specific about those goals. If you want to be better at communicating with your mom or your dad or your best friend, how are you going to do that? Will you set aside 15 minutes each night to talk to your mom? If you want a closer relationship with your dad, will you help him with his work on Saturday? Will you just suck it up and be like, Dad, what do you want me to do to help you? I want to help you so we can talk. You know, that's going to be far more meaningful than saying, I want to be closer with my dad. Like, that's just saying what you want. It's not telling us how you plan on getting there. And that's part of it. We want the plan. So that's my feedback this week. Thanks so much. Let me know if any of you have any questions. I'm happy to email and help you out. Thanks.